Let's get started on some chocolate peanut butter and ice cream. Now we're just going to need a few simple ingredients. The first is 3 frozen bananas. Now I like to let the bananas get really ripe before I peel and then freeze them. I've also got 1.5 tablespoons of peanut powder and 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder. That's unsweetened cocoa powder. And I also have about 1/4 of a cup of a plant-based milk. I'm using my cashew milk, and the link for that video will be above. So to get started, we're just going to open up our food processor. I'm using the Ninja Auto IQ blender. Now we're going to put in our dry ingredients first, and then our plant-based milk, and then we are going to take our bananas, and I like to just segment them into 3 sections before I put them in. All right. And now if all goes as planned, this should only take about 45 seconds. We're going to start on low and work our way up. Alright, that took right around a minute, but I think we are good and blended. Now I have my trusty coconut bowl and spoon here. We're going to open up the food processor, pull that off, and as you can tell, hopefully, we've got a beautiful, creamy, nice cream texture. I'm going to take this, bowl just like that. Alright, I'm going to get cleaned up in the kitchen. I will see you in a second. Hello, I am back from the kitchen. I got things cleaned up and I cannot wait to dig into this chocolate peanut butter and ice cream. Low fat. I'm using that defatted peanut powder. The link to where I get that is in the description, but really easy recipe. Kind of a mixture of my double chocolate and ice cream and my peanut butter and ice cream, but it's a different flavor, and I think it's gonna taste fantastic. We'll give it a try. So delicious. Now I've got to say, I get a lot of questions about, oh, is it gonna taste like banana? I bet it's gonna taste like banana. Now this one is the least banana-y flavor. Banana-y, I don't know if that's a word, but this one has the least banana flavor of any of my ice cream recipes to date. So if you're very banana adverse, as long as you're not allergic, I would recommend trying this one. I hope you guys have liked this video. If you did, hit the likes button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, and I'll see you guys very soon.